I wanted to show my eyes. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's good right there. And I think I'll just, this is my left eye. Because I don't think anybody ever believes about the spinning, so this will kind of show it. I'm going to look in the camera. And then I'm going to change to my right eye. They did this kind of test on me in, at Shands not too long ago. And they had goggles like right, and the goggles had little itty bitty cameras that were right in my eye. So I don't know what you can see, but I hope you can see it. It amazes me, this whole situation. Everybody prays. Everybody's been praying. Yeah. There we are. There we are. Okay. And when I look straight ahead, it spins, but I don't know if that can be captured. I don't know if you can see it when I look straight. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.